right, a little sunny out, but good day to have the Jeep out. So one of my biggest issues I had with my old Wranglers was the transfer case shift linkage. It always seemed to get stuck, always seemed like it was jammed in there. So found a solution. So Mountain Vista Fabrication, found them online, a custom fabrication shop. They mainly specialize in ZJs, but you know, a lot of the parts are interchangeable. We'll work on multiple different applications as far as with transmissions, transfer cases, etc. So what I ended up getting from these guys is it's the T-case linkage. So this should allow for a smoother application where it doesn't feel like it's binding, so on and so forth. All these parts are custom machined and fabricated in their shop. Good wells, no burrs. Before you get these parts, once they make them, they actually send them out and get them powder coated. Very, very reasonably priced. Appears to be good quality stuff. Comes with all the hardware that you need. So we're going to put this on and see how it affects the linkage.
All right, it's kind of hard to see, but basically down here is your transfer linkage from the top. This is where your control is. This whole assembly, all these rods, all this contraption, all this stuff goes back and hooks back down here into the transfer case. So that's what always pops out of gear or gets bound up, because you've got all these bushings in here, in here, in here, and then down below, which you really can't see. They get worn out and bind. So all of this can come out, and then we put the new piece in that will hook straight from here and go straight down here to the transfer case and eliminate all of this unnecessary crap to get it to shift. So it's kind of hard to get the camera in here to show you, but again, we're just going to start. You're going to disconnect it from here, and then you're disconnected from the actual T case down here, and then we'll disconnect this piece here, and this whole thing will slide out, and you'll be amazed at the comparison of how many parts are involved with this setup and how easy this Mountain Vista fabrication part is to put in, and how many less joints and all the crap that's involved.
All right, finally got all of this out. Not sure how the engineers thought this was the best thing to put together, but you've got all of these parts here that can be replaced and more efficient with this. So we're going to get this pre-installed. What we're going to do is you're going to hook all this together, but you want to leave these nuts loose until you get it seated, and then you can tighten it down. But it's pretty self-explanatory on how this goes together. And it's hard to film under the Jeep, but all of this crap is what causes your issues. All right, so I got it installed. 4 high, neutral. Then I got this in neutral to go ahead and go to 4 low. Seems pretty good on top. I'll show you what it looks like below.
Kind of hard to see, but you see this is in the 1 o'clock position. Got it tightened up, hooked up. So far so good, and a lot less crap to go wrong. Sometimes less is more. All right, again, here is all the parts that I took off to simply put this on. So strongly recommend checking this out, whether you got a ZJ, YJ, MJ, TJ. They're all about the same. So definitely check these guys out. Again, Mountain Vista Fabrication. I'll post the link in the comments. Thanks again for watching.